Guys, it's me, Kitty, back at you again with another YouTube video. And today we are going to be doing an Instagram controls my life video.
Well, night,
yeah, whatever. So I am here with Sierra, as you can see, and I'm going to be doing, this isn't a vlog, and this happened. Comment down below if you know what happened. There is going to be 4 vlogs coming at you. This one, the next one of me packing, maybe, or I might just include it in this vlog, whatever. And then 2 vlogs on holiday. So yeah, let's just get on to the video. I haven't vlogged in ages. Well, I say ages, like I haven't vlogged since yesterday. And we just decided not to do the Instagram thing because we sort of wanted to spend time together. Because I won't see her next week. So we just decided to like spend time together to do hair and everything. I forgot to vlog for the rest of the night. So yeah, and now I am just in the house. Sierra was literally just here, but she left just now. My mum just came to pick her up, and yeah, I am watching Alicia Marie vlogs. She is my favourite girl ever. So yeah, I will get back to you. Well, actually, there's a lot of things I need to say. Wait. So, today I need to pack for 2 things. I am packing for next week. As you know, I'm going on holiday, and I will announce that later on where I'm going, because actually I'll tell you now. I'm going to Devon, which is in England, and then probably going to Brixham, and it is lush there. I know it doesn't sound that nice because it's in like Britain, and some places in Britain ain't that nice, but this place is amazing. I really like this place, Brixham, and yeah, I need to pack for that, which we're going for 7 days, Saturday till Saturday, so 16th till the 23rd, which is exciting. And also here's another thing I need to pack for, which is tomorrow. I am in Friday Club and we sleep over there for a weekend, which mind blowing, and it's for free as well, like they give you food and everything. So if you go to Friday Club, and if you're able to do that, like if you're able to go, then go. I'll leave a link down below. Well, not a link. Just turn up there, and then maybe Dave will give you a slip or something, and then take it back. But it's tomorrow, so be sure you bring your slip in. It's probably already been, but I will vlog that as well, which is really exciting. And then I will start a new vlog. Actually, I'll probably vlog till like Saturday is getting in, and I'll show you the place in a different vlog. So yeah, be sure and keep watching the rest of this video to find out what we did tomorrow, and to find out what what sort of outfits and stuff I pack. So yeah, I may have to film on Ella's phone, and Ella send it to me, because Ella does have a normal phone, by the way. I might have to film it on Ella's phone, and Ella send it to me on WhatsApp, because I want to be on FaceTime to my friends whilst I'm packing my clothes. Like I said to Sierra and Nia that I would be on FaceTime to them, and obviously I can't if I'm doing a time lapse me packing. So yeah, let's just move on to the clip. Okay, so I haven't vlogged in quite a while. I haven't vlogged since yesterday. So I am in my room. I have just gotten dressed yet, but these are my pajamas. But it's Red Nose Day today, so I've got a reddy toned lipstick on, And then these like Christmas pajamas. I didn't have any other red pajamas, and I forgot to do a time lapse of me packing yesterday. But I'll just show you briefly why. I have my flashes on because it's like quite like pink in this room. So here I got all of my. So there's just my school clothes. So this pile is just all my trousers and jeans and stuff like that. And then we've got yeah, and then over by to this way we have some of my shoes, and then at the back there's just like bra, pants and knickers and stuff, and then here we have some clothes. So yeah, that's basically all I packed for a week. It doesn't look that much, but it actually is. And then in here, wait, let me try to do this one handed. Got it. So in here we have just my like essentials, like my speaker, my chargers, my purse, and then I don't know why that's in there, and then my like sleeping mask and stuff. And then I'm gonna put some. Oh wait a minute. Then I'm gonna put some like my phone chargers in there and stuff like that. So yeah, you excited for holiday, Al?
Yeah. Only one more day left.
So yeah, we're all excited for holiday, but today, because we weren't working, so today I have got Friday Club like I told you yesterday, and we're sleeping over Friday Club, so I need to pack my clothes for that. But I think I've got them done. I'm just gonna wear like, because we're meant to be sleeping there for a weekend, but I can't obviously because I got holiday. So I'm gonna pack like a book to read on the way or something, and then like a vesty thing, then some cycle shorts to go in the car with, and then change when I'm in the car to some like nicer clothes, because we're going for dinner straight after we get to the holiday park. So yeah, I will see you guys when I'm walking home from school. Again, but we just bought a new slime. Oh, well, Sierra did.
It's not that stretchy or anything. It's just a
look at it.
Okay.
It has like these
Friday Club
holographic glitters in it.
Glitters, like chunky glitter.
Look at that.
Oh my god.
I'm meant to be vlogging, so yeah. But
It's 10:30 in the morning. Don't ask why
in
my
the
lips are red.
morning,
In the night.
In the
And
night.
don't ask why my lips are red, because I took this tablet which made my teeth red.
so at least it stained your lips pink.
Yeah, but look, it's like everywhere.
But we're in our room now. Me and Tammy are just chilling on our bed. We got an airbed to sleep on, but some people don't. Wait, it could be that. This is Holly's.
No, it's mine. Me and Holly have the same stuff.
Oh. Well, yeah, that's what we're doing, Emily. We are chilling. Well, there's Sierra. See, I forgot to end this vlog. I'm now on holiday, but there's a vlog after this one. And so I forgot to end the vlog, and the vlog ended 2 days ago. I was in Friday Club 2 days ago. I'm on holiday now. I'm all today like this because I don't want to show you too much because I'm currently filming a vlog. So yeah, bye.